go. That's good. You want your weight on your front.
Okay.
Lean into it. Yeah, there you go. Not too far. Just comfortable.
Okay. Flip the safety off, and then you'll be ready to go. Flip it to fire. Switch.
I don't think I can hold it with this. Tight against your body. So how do you look through it? I gotta put my head in it.
Yeah, you want to look through here, and then that middle sight, line it up.
So I want it that close to my face?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought that was weird too.
It's not gonna pop my face?
No.
You're about 6 inches away from it.
I don't wanna.
It's not gonna hurt.
It's not
Lean
gonna
forward
pop back
more,
on
though.
my face.
Pull the trigger.
Can I just
pull the
go like
trigger.
this?
Just pull it.
Oh, don't waste it. You got a good shot. Aim.
So you promise
Yeah, it's fine.
it's not gonna hit my
It's
face?
fine.
It won't. It won't.
If it's not,
Hold
if
it
it kicks
tight.
more, Eric said he'll give me that gun. Hold it
I'm gonna have to do a lot of editing because this is minutes worth
Yeah.
of doing nothing.
I'm
Just
afraid
pull the trigger. It's really not bad.
You'd be surprised. So close.
No.
Jesse, if you don't pull that trigger, if you don't pull the trigger, the cardboard's going to.
Yeah.
I think she's got a good shot.
It's so hard. And it will not hit my face.
Oh!
Come on, redneck.
No! I promise. I'll punch myself in the face if it does.
You have to do it now, Jess.
Hey, hold up.
Abby will punch yourself in the face. It's so hard.
You want that like right there.
Like there?
Yeah. And lean into it a little bit with your shoulder, not your leg.
There's not much kick to it, Jesse.
Almost.
Oh, I thought I did it. How hard do you have to pull back?
Whenever you're not like in shooting position,
Nope,
always
you
put your
didn't
finger
pull
on
the trigger.
You have to pull it back a lot then, right?
Yeah.
Just pull. Pull!
Just-
I promise you'll feel it. It just be a little tiny bitty.
This is awesome.
My heart is beating so fast.
Just pull the trigger!
Being dramatic.
No. I'm just a little bit scared.
Jesse, you would have been dead by now if somebody was shooting at you.
See?
What is it?
See, that wasn't that bad.
Beyond. Okay, that's enough.
That wasn't that bad.
Not that bad, is it?
I'm shaking a little bit.
Are you kidding me?
Eric says,
Eric's like, dude, let me empty it.
Okay, it wasn't that bad.